Ginny's Dolls, and today I'm going to be filming a behind the scenes video, just kind of showing you guys a little bit of what's going into Orchid Family season 5. So I got, as you know, I've posted I've probably posted a couple of these by now, but I have been getting in a lot of shipments. I did a video recently with the 6-tuplets. I will link that below. And I got Skylar in the mail a little while ago, and as you can see, she is not looking so hot. So I'm going to be working on fixing her up, as well as Scott. I have him over there. I'm going to be working on, I might work on him today. Warning, doll nudity involved, because he did come without clothing. I threw a pair of pants on him that I could find. I thought I had some shirts, but apparently I don't. Sorry, I forgot my camera was at that angle. I've done a little bit of work on the wig. If you guys know Scott in the Orchid Family show, he was a customized Hopscotch Hill Haley doll, and so that is what I was able to get. Joints are really good, the arm anyway. The thigh articulation is pretty good. Knees, not so much. Arms, not so much, which is generally what you see with Hopscotch Hill dolls. But the wig is actually in pretty good condition. So, I don't know. I may work on Scott today, but I have my hands a bit full. I am going to be working on wig restoration with Skylar here. I'm also going to be working a little bit with the 6-tuplets, but they're pretty good because, I mean, I got them new in box. So the hair and everything, I'm not too concerned. You can see Sunflower here. She is looking pretty good. I love her in the little mini Julie pants. But yeah, I am going to be working on the sisters. I have them all lined up over there in my secret set that I've been working on that I'm still not quite ready to show you guys yet. But yeah, I've gotten quite a few of them in the mail. I'm still waiting on a good bit, but I thought I might as well go ahead and get a jump on fixing some of them up, because I am getting most of these used since they have been out of production for a couple years now. But yeah, I've done, I think if I've already posted my sisters video or my partial unboxing, I will link it below. I don't think I have yet, because at this point I'm still waiting on some more sisters. So I think I was just gonna wait and post the final video when I had it all done, but I don't know where I'll be at when I'm editing this video. So anyways, let's get started. Not sure how long of a video this is gonna be. I'm basically just going to be working on Skylar and the sisters. Probably going to start tackling the sisters. Or, trying to figure out which would take me longer and get it out of the way. Thinking Skylar might be the answer. But, alright. So, let's get started. Oh, and if you see me looking like off to the side a bit, wig work and stuff can get very tedious. So I do sometimes have a podcast or, some live TV going from my iPad, which is down here because I can't show what I'm watching for copyright reasons. It's nothing bad, guys. I can't. It's a black and white comedy. I just can't show it on my channel because of monetization reasons or copyright or whatever. But yeah, just watching like a black and white show. So yeah, if you notice me look off to the side occasionally, maybe looking like, oh, what's going on over there? Okay, so let's get started. video off here and make a second part. I realized I had been filming for like 40 minutes, so I have quite a bit of footage to edit, and I'm going to show you the cabinet with the sisters, because I have not even skimmed the surface. Oh my gosh. Oh goodness. I have only done 8 of these so far, and I have, as you can see, I have quite a few sisters left to go, and I've only done 1 in this batch, so yeah, quite a bit to go. So yeah, I will be getting back to you guys with a part 2. So see ya.